Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and today I'm out here in the greenhouses. We are going to look at starting to save some seed. Now there's some seeds that if we get the chance, we get some flowers, we will try to save them. And I'm just gonna kind of go over what we're looking for when we try to save seed, and what might be ready and what might not be ready. So anything that's still like in full flower, where it's like a really supple, good looking bloom, that is definitely not ready. So something like this, not ready. If we take a pot like this has definitely got some really super dry and crunchy blooms on it. That's what we're looking for. So I'm gonna pluck one of these off and just see the flower on it look like this. So this is what it looked like in flower. So I think it's a spry type. It's called crested or spry. And we're going to open up this little pod here, and I can see dry seeds. So that's a marigold seed. Oh, really hard to see on the camera. Very, very small, very dry. I'll get a handful of them and I'll show you that way. So there is, I don't know, about a dozen in this particular marigold head, and I've just got a jar. They're already dry. I've got a jar. I'm going to dump the seed heads into the jar. The ones that are ready anyways. So this one still has dried flowers on it, but I think that it is probably ready anyway because it's so dry. And there we have it. Lots of marigold seeds in there. You can kind of painstakingly try to pull off some of the blooms, but I find that what works good is just broadcasting them in a seedling tray rather than putting them in individual cells. Definitely though, the ones that are mega dry, they even open sometimes, they split in the middle. That's what we're looking for. And these have, you can see the dark color, it's almost dark brown or black on the end of the seed. That is what a marigold seed would look like. So if they're not dark yet, then probably that's not ready. So as you're going through your marigolds, even like now, if you've got marigolds out in your garden, you probably have some seed heads that are done and nice and dry while you still have blooming ones on it. If you haven't been deadheading, which is fine, then you can go ahead and save some of those seeds. So give it a try. I'm going to, oh wow, this is a jackpot here. So many, and they're perfect. So what you want to do after you're all done is you can do a germination test where you take a small handful, maybe 10 seeds or so, put them in wet paper towel and see what germinates. And if you take 10 seeds and 8 germinate, then you would have 80% germination. Give them a good shake if you're doing mixed varieties like I am, and enjoy. You can still enjoy your garden into the fall, and this is kind of a fun project. The marigolds though, like just because I have an orange one, it doesn't mean the seeds here will be orange. They have probably cross-pollinated through the summertime, so it'll be kind of a mystery as to what you're gonna get, which is super fun. And it's nice to just put a row of those in your veggie garden or something. So go ahead, give this seed saving a try, and let me know how it works out. Bye guys.